Do you want visitors to your website to pick up the phone or to email you? If you do, there's one thing you've got to do before anything else. You need to tell those visitors what you do. It's crazy how many companies don't. How many companies' websites have you visited where you're not even sure they do what you want? Try this. The next 10 websites you visit, ask yourself if they say clearly, unambiguously, above the fold, what they do. If they don't, they could easily improve their conversion rate. What about your website? Do you say clearly above the fold what it is that you do? If you say what you do, your potential customers will have more confidence that they're in the right place. When they have more confidence that they're in the right place, they're more likely to pick up the phone or to email you. This is one of 7 things that anyone can do without any technical skills to improve their conversion rate overnight. You can download all 7 of our tips from taleist.agency/7things.